something that has changed in America since the last time I lived in America is all the different cereal options. I'm in a grocery store, I'm in Target, and there's so much stuff that I have never heard of before. For example, Bluey cereal? Okay, I might be officially becoming an old head, but what is Bluey cereal? Who is Bluey? Is this a cartoon that now has a cereal? Or is this a cereal and this is the characters behind it, like Captain Crunch or something like that, you know? Y'all gotta help me out because I see all this stuff and I'm like, what is this stuff? Bro, what? Peeps? Peeps has a cereal now? That's wild. And Squishmallows. What are Squishmallows? What is that? Loaded cereal? Birthday cake? I mean, birthday cake is nice. Well, I mean, chocolate, strawberry, s'mores. Oh, now this was always lit. You know, it turns your milk green, the limited edition Lucky Charms for St. Patrick's Day. But I'm like, man, I remember, you know, cereal aisle was never like this when I was a kid and stuff like that. I mean, there was a lot of cereal still, but now it's like, I feel like they just throwing anything together and making it a cereal. Glazed donut holes? Frosted Flakes? What? Arctic Crunch Captain Crunch Berries? I mean, Vanilla Frost? What? Cinnamon Crunch? I mean, that's the classic right there. That's still a classic as well. The original Captain Crunch, you can't see under there. And then my favorite, Oops All Berries. That's the one. I'm gonna get that one. And then Crumble? Crumble has a cereal? I have never had a Crumble cookie, but I passed one on my way to this store. And I'm gonna go there right after this and buy a cookie. Like, you can buy one cookie, right? I'm gonna buy a cookie. I'm gonna see what they taste like. Yo, oh my God, look at all these different kinds of Cheerios. Oat Crunch. Veggie blends? What? Cinnamon protein. Chocolate peanut butter. Strawberry protein. Metia? What is that? Oh, chocolate. Fruity Cheerios. Chocolate strawberry. Very berry. Honey nut. The original, you know. And there used to be an apple cinnamon Cheerios, but I don't see that one anymore. So I don't know what happened to that one. There's a lot of things about America that are the same and are comforting when I come back to America. And then there's a lot of things where I'm like, yo, I've been gone so long. I don't know what any of this stuff is. Sometimes I feel like a visitor or a tourist in my own country. But you know, this is why we travel. We travel to see the world, and we travel away to come back and see our country with new eyes. Our stores in America are truly massive. This isn't even a big store. This is not a big Target. This is just Target.